So hi Anupriya, how are you doing?
Hi Devanshu, I'm good. How are you doing?
Very good, very good. So you're looking very fresh at this point of
Is it?
time. Yeah,
I
very
don't know,
much.
yaar. I'm in fact not feeling well today. So probably this
Oh,
is that glow, जो वो हल्के से fever से glow आता है, वो probably वो
नहीं
है.
नहीं, I want you to get better soon, ASAP.
Thank
So
you.
I'm missing your curls, hairstyle.
So am I. This is just
But
actually I was having a look test today.
yeah, yeah.
So
But
they
I'm
just
liking
were
the
doing
way you
something.
do your hair.
Thank you.
So आश्रम पे मीम्स बनने स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं लाइक मिर्जापुर 2 हैज डन इन 2 years, सेक्रेड गेम्स को इतना टाइम लगा एंड आश्रम 2 इज कमिंग इन जस्ट 2 months.
I
और
know, I
हाउ आर यू
know.
हाउ आर यू फीलिंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आश्रम?
Very ecstatic and extremely proud, to be proud
हम्म.
of a series which is not just done so well, which is also so socially relevant and is talking
या.
about the right things and trying to make a change in a in a very significant yet uh,
हम्म.
unbiased way. I think I'm
ओके.
very proud of Ashram for that reason, and also because I've got to
हम्म.
work with Prakash sir and such a beautiful team of actors and crew.
ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले मैं जपनाम करना चाहूंगा आपको, जय बाबा जी की, जय काशीपुर वाले बाबा. And I have so many people like Baba lovers in my family. So any message for these people?
मतलब आप बॉबी देओल को पसंद करें, बाबा को पसंद करें, फॉर श्योर ऐसे
Yeah.
और भी लोग होंगे जो आपको सही दिशा दिखाते हैं, उनको प्लीज पसंद करें, बस हाँ अंधविश्वास में ना फंसें, यही है.
So is it all real? जैसे मैंने आश्रम देखी है, वेटिंग eagerly waiting for आश्रम 2. Is it all real कि यार ये सब होता है एक्चुअल में इन द आश्रम and everything goes like that जिस हिसाब से प्रकाश सर ने दिखाया है हम लोगों को?
It is definitely mirroring the actual reality of us, of our surroundings right now. They have put in a
Mm-hmm.
lot of research and a lot of study while
Okay.
making the series, and it's not based on any one
Mm-hmm.
character per se. It is, of course, a fictional character and a fictitious city of Kashipur. बट हाँ, जो
Yeah.
भी हम दिखा रहे हैं वो एक्चुअली हमारी सोसाइटी में होता है, विच इज़ द सैड ट्रूथ, एंड इसीलिए वो दिखाना ज़रूरी भी है, उसकी चर्चा होनी भी ज़रूरी है. I am still decent at it, and it's a huge stress buster. It's a huge motivator for me, and a
Okay.
lovely way to express myself. So yeah.
Amazing, man. Amazing. Like, truly amazing. And, like, I would like to know that what was that one moment when you were shooting for Ashram or after Ashram 2? Like, oh my God moment. Like, oh, the OMG wala moment ki, yaar, this thing still exists. ये चीजें ऐसी होती हैं. Like, any weird or any surprising thing you got to know during your shoot about Ashram and
About
people, Baba lovers and everything?
so जो फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट है मैं उसके बारे में ज्यादा रिवील नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज इट विल बी अ स्पॉइलर एंड आवर ब्यूटीफुल पीपल हियर विल किल मी फॉर
नहीं, मैं एडिट
सेइंग
कर दूंगा
एनीथिंग
बट आई वांट टू नो.
नहीं 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 दैट विल बी अ डिफरेंट कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन यू एंड मी लेटर
You
बट
don't trust me.
no I don't, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But so yeah, there are a lot of aspects in this part
Mm-hmm.
too, which you would see. The Baba
Mm-hmm.
Nirala's character has is going to completely come out on the darker side, and there is so much that he's doing in terms of taking advantage of people who have
Mm-hmm.
unflinching trust in him, and taking complete advantage of them, making them dance to his tunes, and he's really going to come up on the darker side in this season. And it's going to baffle and shock people, and also maybe hopefully take a deeper look into their surroundings and get
Mm-hmm.
aware of what all is possible. And
Mm-hmm.
if there are people around them who, or if they are themselves, entangled in such situations, probably it will give them the courage to rise above it and to take action and to see
Okay.
that justice is served. That's the whole point of talking about such subjects. And
Mm-hmm.
the second one, I was in Ahmedabad And of course, we got to know that at that time, this whole Ayodhya case was, being fought, and judgment was yet to come in. And one of the most important parts was that the people of Ayodhya live in harmony between both the sects, Muslims or
Oh.
Hindus, and they didn't really care. They were like just very happy. We live in harmony, and it doesn't matter to us. All all that matters is that we love each other, and live together in harmony. And that was
Okay.
like the oh my god moment for me. That
Man.
at the end of the day, people just appreciate one another, and whatever is that we are thinking in our
Mhm.
heads, and what we think is maybe quite far away from the truth.
Mhm. Okay. So, like, you were there in Criminal Justice, Asur, Tiger Zinda Hai, Ashram, War, and now Ashram 2. So, what fantasize you the most and what pulls out? ऐसा क्या होता है कि you opt for these खुफिया and mysterious characters related to thrill? What pulls you off?
I don't know, I really don't. I've never
Mhm.
thought of it like that.
Mhm.
Actually. So,
Yeah.
what interests me is when a character has enough shades to explore, or when I'm doing something different, or if I'm
Mhm.
getting to work with people that I have admired for a while, or actors that I know कि इनके साथ jam करने में बहुत मजा आएगा. So there are different sets of combinations and combinations for choosing a certain role, and the script really communicates with me and kind of touches me in some way. So I think all of these scripts have had interesting people to work with, but I don't really know where I'll end up, how things will shape up in the future. So I think that uncertainty is the thrill and the difficult part of it.
Okay. I would like to share one thing with you. Like me and my daddy went for Tiger Zinda Hai once. And I came back to home. We came back to home and I asked my dad, क्या सबसे अच्छा लगा? So he was like, Purna.
You please say thank you to me. That's so
Arey,
cute.
definitely. And I love your smile, Anupriya. It's amazing. You're freaking adorable.
Thank you. Yeah.
And
Thank
by
you
the
so much.
way, recently I have seen you painting. And what were you painting on Instagram? I want to know what's that, what's there on the canvas.
So to be honest, I'll be very honest. Okay, maybe
Yeah.
I shouldn't, be, but that was a look test. I was doing a look test in that particular frame, and
Hmm.
they required like I just was trying something, and for that test, there was a look that we wanted, and I was doing an audition with that frame, but
Okay.
that it actually was a painting that I made earlier. I just kept it
Okay.
for reference. But yeah, during lockdown, I started painting and sketching again, all these projects. And also, having said that, my characters in each one of them have been slightly different from one another, and
Hmm.
also gives me something new to experiment with, or to explore for
Yeah.
myself. So yeah, I think that's what interested me, and maybe yeah, the thrill in life
And
is kind of
these
translated.
characters fits you perfectly, I must say. And
Thank
one
you.
thing, like, who was the one person or two people, anyone who was the craziest and the most fun person to be with on the set of Ashram?
Prakash sir.
And what's the, yeah, please go ahead.
So, I've said this before, like the moment I see Prakash sir, any
Yeah.
point of day, I am
Mm-hmm.
just smiles. He brings out the child in me. And that has never happened to me. I've had great relationships with my directors.
Mm-hmm.
I've been very cordial with them. I've been very
Mm-hmm.
respectful of some. I've been scared of some. All of that. With Prakash sir, initially when before starting shoot, I was a little scared because obviously he's Prakash Jha, and he's such a senior director. And I was like, how do I get the opportunity to work with him? How do I conduct myself with him with utmost respect? But
Yeah.
I become a kid in front of sir, and just jumping around, just
Mm-hmm.
smiling, acting stupid, everything. And he just has that to give. And initially, when I started working with him, difficult of things seem very simple,
Mm-hmm.
and you couldn't really exaggerate anything, but at the same point in time, in a very simple way, communicate very significant nuances about the character.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, uh, he just say something and you get it, and उस वक्त वो बड़ा चीज नहीं लगेगा, but somehow after the scene you'll realize, oh fish, it was such a potent thing that he, you know,
He just
equipped
narrated to
me
you, or
with.
yeah.
It will just dawn on you later कि
Okay.
इसने पूरा एक चीज ही बदल दिया. At that time, it will look very simple, you know,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
like not much of a discussion also. And he knows how to instill faith in you. He knows how to
Mm-hmm.
motivate and yet um, correct you when you're wrong
Mm-hmm.
without sounding demeaning. I've seen him do that with everybody around as well. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
he's great at it.
So, as per your dialogue in your trailer of Ashram 2, I heard that अब ये गुत्थी और उलझेगी या सुलझेगी. तो please at least tell me something exclusive about the sequel, please. At least
I
something.
cannot. I think that's see why should I, Divanshu? I want you to watch it and enjoy it as much as anyone else would, right? Why spoil it for you? Come on.
I will anyhow going to watch it, but
So
still, okay,
and he is the most simplest of people I've met. He's like a child, you know, like a small schoolboy
okay.
who wants to party, who wants to chill and have conversations, uh, who and very honest. Like
Yeah.
he's so honest with his emotions. With if he's feeling nervous, he'll upfront say it that I'm nervous right now. I was like this and I was like that and I didn't know and blah blah blah. But he's really a child at heart.
Okay.
And too much fun, yeah, like too much fun to be with.
Okay. So just one last thing I want to ask, okay, as people are asking me to wrap this interview up, just one last thing that during this lockdown and everything in these last 7 to 8 months, things have changed for India, for Bollywood, and for everyone. Okay, so what's your take on the ongoing issues with Bollywood, like with be it be nepotism, be it be Sushant Singh Rajput, and things going NCB and everything. I want you to tell something about your
कुछ तो
feeling.
controversial है ना,
नहीं नहीं
बिना
नहीं, it's nothing.
controversial के कैसे चलेगा.
ऐसा नहीं है. I am a very decent, noble soul, you know.
Oh yeah, I'm sure
Yeah.
you're proving it. No, yeah. So it's see, I feel first of all that last couple of months have been very difficult for everybody.
Yes,
First of
yes.
all, because of pandemic, and
Mm-hmm.
then there's so many things that have happened and transpired. Sushant Singh's huge loss for the entire nation. It was a
Mm-hmm.
shocker for everyone. And
Mm-hmm.
as an actor also, as a performer, even as just because he was such an idol, you know, an
Mm-hmm.
icon for people of hope, of saying that when if you work hard, you achieve what you are designed to do in life. And I think because of that, a lot of negativity kind of permeated into the system, and people were kind of lashing out. I hope now it is settling down.
Mm-hmm.
With Bollywood, I would say that this is one of the best times to be a performer or be an artist in this industry. There are so many opportunities, and
Mm-hmm.
more democratic and liberal than it was ever before. Because not just because of the web space, because content has become more important. People do appreciate hard work. People do appreciate talent. If that wasn't the case, me and you would not be sitting here today talking,
Yeah.
right? And I think nepotism and favoritism exists, but at the same point in time, it 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 doesn't exist in a way that it will stop talent from coming forward.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Appreciate. Okay, this is a good space we are in right now, and it's only going to get better from here. Also, having said that, any dialogue is important as long as it is
Mm-hmm.
done in the right spirit and to kind of figure out solutions rather than malign each other.
Mm-hmm.
That I think was lost in the way in the last couple of months, and hopefully now when
Mm-hmm.
people are starting back to work, started
Mm-hmm.
becoming productive, and moving
Yeah.
forward in life. Things are kind of blooming back.
Mm-hmm.
Things are kind of settling down, and also things have started looking up and positive again. I think it was
Yeah.
just a very difficult phase for people in the
Mm-hmm.
past couple of months, triggered a lot of other things. So yeah, um, I think we as an industry in Bollywood work really hard to entertain people. It's just not actors. There are 100 people who come together to make a single, frame,
Yeah.
a 2-3 hour content or a 10-minute content takes a year or maybe more to be built by 100 plus people who come from different places and walks in life and come together. And there's a lot of
Mm-hmm.
hard work and sweat that goes into it.
Okay.
So, so yeah, it's a beautiful industry, and I'm very proud to be a part of it.
Even I'm feeling really proud to interview you. Like,
Oh, thank you.
you're such a lovely person to have a
Thank
conversation
you.
with. Thank you so much for joining us on Filmy Beat. And I'm
Thank
hoping to
you.
work with you someday real soon.